Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. Hello friends, I will show you how I clean my drain, kitchen drain. See, this is my kitchen tub, and when we have put lots of water in it, or when the dishwasher ran, the water came here and it was not draining fast. It would take 2 hours to drain. So we said it could be, the problem could be because clog in the pipes underneath. See the pipes underneath? It could be because of this. But to rule it out that it was not the pipes under the sink, what I did is I went outside and I opened this. See this? We have a something called clean out port. There is a port for cleaning out. So this one here, I opened it, and when I opened it, all the water came out. And in the kitchen tub, there was no water. So if there was clog under the sink, then the water would still remain in the tub. But because all the water cleaned out, that means the clog is further down the drain. So this one actually, this one connects to the sewer line. You know, the sewer line which is under the concrete on the house. So now the question is and how to clean it. So I will show you how I use my sewer jetter or hydro jetter to clean the pipe. So friends, from Amazon I bought a device called sewer jetter. It's basically, it connects to your pressure washer, and it has a pipe through which water under pressure comes out, and this hose that it comes with the device, you can insert in your drain line. So this is the hose that came with the device, okay? And one end of it has this here fitting, which has 3 holes, 1, 2, 3 holes, 4 holes actually, 3 on the side, 1 on the trunk. So water under pressure comes out through these holes, okay? And on the other side, it just came with this, and then this one here, this part. See, this part here is M22 fitting. It's called M22 fitting, and my pressure washer takes M22 fitting. So this one I connected to this hose by wrapping a Teflon tape on it, as you can see, okay? But you could remove this M22 fitting and you could use this quick fitting. See this quick fitting? So this will go on the pipe, and this one here, this side, will go on your hose. See, the pressure washer has a wand, so you can just insert it like this. But in that case, in order to have the water come out, you have to press this. But I would prefer not to use the quick connect, but then I will connect this one, this hose, one end of it, directly to the pressure washer. So this electric pressure washer, I have connected it to the power supply through this green cable, and then I have put water hose. See here, water hose is connected to the pressure washer, and one end of the jetter, I have connected it to the pressure washer output port of the pressure washer. And so basically, input port of the pressure washer takes your garden hose. Output port goes to the hose of the pipe of the jetter. And I will show you what happens if I turn it on. If I turn it, see, See the jetter? Hi friends, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean the drain line. So this hose here from the sewer jetter, okay, I'm going to insert it in the drain, and then I'm going to turn the water is already turned on, so I'm going to turn the now you don't have any water coming out because the drain is you don't have any water coming out here because the drain is not clogged right now. If the drain was clogged, the water would not be able to go further down the drain, and all the water would come out. And then that's how last time I cleaned it, I had lots of dirt and filth come out. And see, you see these white things? They all came from the drain. They are all from the paint. Because I hired a worker to do painting inside my house, and he used to clean his brushes in the kitchen sink. So the paint went inside, and that's how it got clogged. So you to clean it, you just turn it on, and you insert it, it will clean it. Now it's not going any further. It's not going anymore because maybe it has encountered a dent in the drain line. So I'm going to take it out. So before I take it out, I turn the pressure washer off. Okay? So now I'm going to take it out. And even my hose is clean. Why? Because I cleaned it yesterday a lot, and that's why there is no filth. There is no filth inside. But when it was clogged, lots of dirty things came out. And that's why one should never clean your paintbrush inside the house. Never clean your paintbrush or a cloth that has paint on it. Never clean it inside. You clean it outside in your backyard or front yard in the lawn. Okay? So if this method will work to unclog a drain that has been clogged, and if that does not work, then you have to use an auger, which I will show you in my next video. The auger is a very good device. It has basically a metal wire, thick wire that is like a snake that bends, that it goes inside the pipe and it bends as the drain line bends. And if that also does not work, then you try the rubber bladder. And rubber bladder costs only $12, and it connects to your garden hose. And you just insert it about 6 inches inside, and you turn it on, and then the water jet fills the whole drain, and then the water cannot come out because the bladder expands and tightens and grips the wall of the drain line. And so this is how you do it. So there are basically 3 techniques that I have tried, and with those techniques I have always been able to unclog my drain, and I have saved thousands of dollars in plumber fees. Of course, hiring a plumber is not a bad idea if you have money, but since I don't have any job, any work, why should I hire a plumber? I can learn plumbing myself, and then now I'm teaching those techniques that I have learned to you guys. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.